That's from the sweet spot. And Hong Kong has a new visitor.
That's better. No ball as well.
Lots of swing, a bit of edge, and the keeper does the rest. Jishan goes without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh lose their first.
Yeah, Jishan didn't want to go there. Looked like a deflection. Looked like it certainly moved away off the outside edge. Again, full bit of swing. Wow. Thick outside edge. Good decision from the umpire. Big wicket for Sri Lanka. They needed that to start.
Dhananjaya is getting swing. Not intentional. And we in the com box almost had a visitor. But the ball will still win. When was the last time you saw a keeper almost put in time, but finally? That was third man.
Yeah, pads on, gloves on, looking to save every single run at the moment. More of this, please. More run-outs, direct hits. Brilliant off his own side edge. Both batters looking at each other. What a great energy to the ball. One hand pick up and bang.
Now, he knew immediately he was in trouble because he was covering ground quickly. This is where things get interesting. In that momentum, with that momentum, he's diving forward. What happened there? That's a good shot. We'll get it. Also turning into a sweeper. How do you hit the ball? Hard, high. You need to do more of this. But no distance. Take it.
The same plan for Sri Lanka. Can't get underneath it. Bottom of the bats. Wide line once again. It just picks out man.
And he didn't have to move an inch. Really good catch. And 2 run-outs. So 5 wickets in total as Bangladesh lose them for 75.
Uses the feet down the ground, and my goodness, does that sound sweet as honey. Runs off the bat here for Sri Lanka. They've got going with a maximum.
Huge shot.
This time takes it square. And again, out the middle. Back-to-back sixes here for Sri Lanka.
Akar juggles it. He's a little bit close, to be fair, but gets that left mitt on it. Watch the bowler's reaction. He loved it. Short and sweet from Dabar, gone for 12. Sri Lanka 13 for 1.
That first wicket brings Lakshan out into the middle. For the big swing.
And in some ways they've got to gamble with bowling length because of the fact they're trying to defend 75. And see that Akbar was a little bit too close. Delight for him. Giving that little bowler's look, and he's keep going length. It's a gamble, but they've got to try and get them 2 or 3 wickets down early on, and all of a sudden just create a little bit of pressure within the team.
It's a good line here from Haider. I'll take the single. Really made himself known there with the send-off as well. Getting into it.
Great to see the fans in. And remember, if you're in the area over the next couple of days, we've got some big games coming your way. No bigger than the one coming next, India versus Pakistan. Then Australia versus England.
Be very important matches. Crowd making themselves in for the India-Pakistan game. You can already hear them making some noise. Bit of whip, quick hands. We'll just find the fielder down in the deep. A single to end the over. 15 for 1. Well, this is the one, this is the big one for your Friday night in Hong Kong. India versus Pakistan, match number 9 on day 1 of the Hong Kong Sixes 2025. They call it the Carnival of Cricket because it's action-packed, full of excitement. Fans are getting themselves ready, flags all around. Indian flags, Pakistani flags. In this wonderful, wonderful city. Oh, change of angle here. Comes round the wicket, just targeting the ankles.
Yeah, big appeal from Muzadaka Hussain, but it's pitched well and truly outside the leg stump. Pressure on spinners here at Hong Kong.
This is full. Now this has been sent back down the ground and out. Beautiful timing there. The crowd's enjoying it. 6 runs for Sri Lanka. And this one, this has been sent out and unfortunately not into the hands of the ball boy. But for Sri Lanka, that's another maximum.
Yeah, just not easy. Not easy for any bowler here in Hong Kong, but especially the spinners. Unless you've got something unusual and unusual action, it's hard.
Well, talk about hard. He's just been given. And after being hit for 2 sixes in...
I think the batter thought, has this carried? I think it definitely does carry. It's a little bit deeper now.
Just holds his position there a little bit, but it doesn't seem to do the trick.
Exciting to get ahead.
Any tourist spots you can recommend to people at home, or some...
Absolutely delicious in Hong Kong. And well, this is a good ask because it will be given.
Where it hits him, does it hit him in line? Absolutely hits him in line. I think it's a good decision. Really good decision.
Opens the blade nicely, and that will run away for 4. That's a beautiful shot there. And well, has this got enough? Has it got enough? It has for 1 bounce 4. And he's gone. Bangladesh are well and truly back into it here.
Excellent execution, and Bangladesh are fighting back hard here.
And wow, what a fantastic job they've done. Here is that final wicket. Gets a hand to it, does Rahman. The reactions on that, it was struck so hard. But he gets his hand on it. The ball goes on to hit the stumps. And well, Bangladesh are winning this game by 14 runs against Sri Lanka. Oh, that is unbelievable. Would you look at that?
Absolutely brilliant scenes here from Bangladesh. Really good, he gets a hand on it. The third umpire is just checking.